Yesterday on the channel, I went over a holdings company named Corporate Universe, going by ticker symbol COUV. Again, this was a very highly requested company on my channel. A lot of you guys wanted me to give my opinion on them. I noticed like 3 or 4 different comments on multiple videos, and so I did want to make sure that I put it out for you guys yesterday. One thing that I did say in the video is that it did seem like an intriguing company, but there was a lack of detail and there was a lack of information, and whenever I was doing my research, I was having trouble really finding the meat. I was having really, a lot of trouble trying to figure out what exactly this company was all about and what type of agreements they were making. Now, I also said in the video I was struggling to see where the hype was coming from. Now, when that being said, I did go over a lot of other things. I went over their management. I went over some of the agreements they were doing. I talked about their stock price. And under the comment section, you guys did let me know that a lot of this was coming from a certain thing. A lot of the hype was coming from a specific agreement and, some of the things that came with this agreement. So with that being said, I did want to bring you guys an update. I wanted to kind of update that video a little bit and make sure that I am giving out all of the information. Whenever I do get new information, whenever I do get new research, and whenever I find new things about these companies that I'm doing these videos about, I want to make sure that I keep you guys as updated as possible. This is something that I would like to do going into the future here. I want to keep you guys as updated as possible about your favorite stocks. So with that being said, do not hesitate to drop your favorite stock, your favorite company, anything that you would like me to check out down in the comment section below. I would love to make videos about the things that you would like to see. And so again, I will be reading those comments and getting, video suggestions from there. If you do enjoy this video and if you do find it valuable or entertaining, you can let me know by smashing that like button and subscribing if you are new to the channel. But with that being said, let's go ahead, let's jump into it, and let's see what else is going on with COUV that is causing a lot of this hype. So I did mention that it seemed like a lot of this hype was coming from something very specific, and what I have found out is that a lot of this hype is coming from their acquisition over Carbon Ion, FKA Zapco, which is a battery EV technology company. Now, it's not only this acquisition, because we did mention this acquisition in yesterday's video, but it is the things that come along with this acquisition that have made it very, very appealing, and that a lot of investors have felt could be very beneficial going on into the future. So let's go ahead, let's jump into the article, of course, and let's see what exactly all comes along with this agreement and why this is causing a lot of investors to become very, very excited about Corporate Universe, ticker symbol COUV. So first off, it does say here that they are pleased to announce that they have entered into a definitive LOI to acquire Carbon Ion Energy Storage Ltd, a high technology electric battery development company building the next generation of energy storage devices, one that is safer, faster charging, does not use rare earth materials, and can be recycled at the end of life. Now, it says that Carbon Ion Energy Storage has acquired all the assets of Zapco Ltd, inclusive of over 30 patents and the benefit of $25 million research and development. Currently, the company has a Gen 4 battery, which is being prepared for commercialization. So this is the thing that I have been seeing the most about. The patents seem to be what a lot of people are very excited about. We're going to go ahead and we're going to keep doing our research. We're going to keep doing our DD and seeing what exactly all of this research is about. $25 million in research and development is no small amount. So it will be interesting to continue on. Let's see exactly what all is going on with this company and why so many investors are so excited. So it says that with the advancement and acceptance of battery-powered vehicles, tools, toys, appliances, personal electronics, and much more, the global market was estimated at over $113 billion in 2019 and will grow threefold over the next 5 to 7 years, according to the Grand View research. For the past 50 years, lithium-ion batteries have led this epic growth, even though they are challenged by battery life, charging times, heat, and the potential for igniting or exploding. Carbon Ion has the solution for the next 50 years. And this is where I believe that people are starting to get excited. It says that the company's technology provides improved energy storage, allows the cell to be used as the principal method of energy storage in a far wider range of technologies than conventional batteries or supercapacitors. High specific power allows very fast charging, oftentimes only seconds, through Carbon Ion's instant charge technology. That sounds awesome. High specific power enables the extension of lithium-ion battery lifetimes and reduction in battery size through peak shaving and hybrid applications. Improved safety protects customers, allow easy shipping, and opens up applications in hazardous areas. Long cycle life allows energy storage to be installed for the entire lifetime of the device, reducing of design complexity, eliminating service intervals, and saving money. Also, the one thing that I'm starting to notice, and one thing that I think is going to be super appealing, especially to today's generation, is that they are recyclable at the end of life. Now that does make me understand why COUV is starting to see such the open interest that it has. The fact that this acquisition does come with over 30 patents and all of this technology that is allegedly so intriguing and so complex, it does make it a super duper appealing acquisition to COUV. And now I do understand why so many people are interested in buying stock in this company. So it says that the CEO of Carbon Ion said that I am proud to join the world-class team at Carbon Ion. The company's specific and technical foundation is the strongest I have ever seen. The technology is many years ahead of the industry and is ready for commercialization, and it significantly advances the current state of energy storage by many years. That's really bold. He continued, although this is a non-traditional path to enter the capital markets, the process moves quickly, provides immediate capital, and will allow shareholders to grow with us. The company will move laser focus on commercializing their products as we will be moving towards a NASDAQ listing in 2021. Isaac H. Sutton, who is the CEO of COUV, or Corporate Universe, stated that, as I've previously told our shareholders, our goal is to identify opportunity for our shareholders, and in this transaction, I believe we have exceeded expectations and couldn't be more excited to bring this opportunity to the market and our shareholders. Effective with the closing, which is targeted before a year's end, Andrew will assume the CEO position and I will become the COO. I will be focused on moving the public company expeditiously and compliantly towards a senior exchange, as Andrew and the team are focused on the business of batteries. I believe next year will be transformative. So that is a big piece that I was missing yesterday. I did want to make sure that I did continue to add on to this to keep updated and keep you guys updated on how I feel about this company, because it does seem like y'all somewhat care about what my opinion is. I will say that does completely, somewhat clarify exactly what is going on with this company. Again, it was a little bit wishy-washy and it was somewhat confusing yesterday trying to do all this research, and it seemed like there was a lack of detail. But after reading that, after seeing all of these different patents, after hearing from the CEO, after hearing from the CEO of Carbon Ion, and seeing what this technology is capable of, now I do understand why COUV's acquisition of this company is so important. That could be amazing. It seems like COUV is starting to do a great job at acquiring companies who actually do very good things. Again, like I said with Metasivo, that mask is absolutely phenomenal. If this technology does hold up, and if they can continue to prove it, if they can get that NASDAQ listing sometime this year, I think that could be fantastic for a company like COUV. Let me know if you guys have any more information down in the comment section below. You guys do make my life really, really easy whenever it comes to finding all of these articles and finding this information. This article was actually provided to me by one of my subscribers, and so I do appreciate you guys for leaving that in the comment section below. Again, if you guys want to see any specific stocks on this channel, if you want to see me talk about anything in particular, any hot topics, penny stocks, growth stocks, anything along those lines, let me know in the comment section, or you can send me a DM on my investment Instagram. I always leave it in the description below, and I reply there very, very often. Again, if you guys do enjoy these videos, if you do find them valuable or entertaining, you can let me know again by smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel. We've gotten over 150 subscribers in the last 2 days. It seems like these different type of videos where I'm talking about these companies, these penny stocks, and all of these different things is exactly what you guys want to see, and I have no problem continuing doing these. I hope you guys are excited that I will be posting 2 videos a day for as long as I can possibly make this thing last. I really do appreciate the love. I appreciate the support, and I am excited to see you guys next time. Peace.